Welcome, crochet lovers! Today we're making a beautiful, colorful coaster that's perfect for protecting your tables from hot cups or adding a cozy touch to your decor. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project is fun and rewarding. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's dive in. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Into the ring, work 1 double crochet DC followed by 1 chain CH. Repeat this DC CH a total of 8 times. Pull the ring tight and slip stitch to join. Great job, you've got the base started. Tip: keep your tension even to make the circle nice and flat. You're doing amazing, keep it up. Next, for round 2, chain 1 to start. Now, work 1 double crochet DC, 1 chain CH, 1 DC, and 1 cheat into each chain space from the previous round. Repeat this DC, CH, DC, CH 8 times. Slip stitch to join. Wow, you're making great progress. Tip: count your stitches as you go to ensure you have 8 repeats. Accuracy is key. Moving on to round 3, chain 1. In each chain space, work 1 single crochet SC followed by 2 chains, 2 seat. Repeat SC, 2 seat 16 times around. Join with a slip stitch. Fantastic work. You're building such a pretty shape. Tip: use a stitch marker if needed to keep track of your rounds. Small helpers make a big difference. For round 4, chain 1. Into each chain space, work 1 half double crochet HDC followed by 2 chains, 2 CH. Repeat HDC, 2 CH 16 times. Slip stitch to join. You're rocking this. Tip: if your coaster starts curling, gently block it later with water. Perfect shapes are just a step away. Now for round 5, chain 1. Into each chain space, work 3 double crochets 3DC. Repeat 3DC 16 times around. Join with a slip stitch. Amazing effort, your coaster is taking shape beautifully. Tip: keep your DC stitches loose for a smoother texture. Great work. For round 6, chain 1. Into each chain space, work 1 double crochet, DC, 2 chains 2 soch, 1 DC, then skip the next space. Repeat DC, 2 chain, DC, skip. 24 times, slip stitch to join. You're doing wonderfully. Tip: skipping stitches can feel tricky. Take your time to stay on track. Moving to round 7, chain 1. In each chain space, work 1 single crochet, SC, 5 chains, 5ch, 1 SC, then 3 chains, 3ch. Repeat SC, 5ch, SC, 3ch, 12 times. Join with a slip stitch. Incredible job. Your coaster is looking so unique. Tip: check your chain counts to keep the pattern consistent. Precision pays off. For round 8, chain 1. Into each chain space, work 1 single crochet, SC, followed by 8 double crochets, 8DC. Repeat SC, 8DC 12 times. Slip stitch to join. You're a crochet star. Tip: spread those 8DC evenly for a balanced look. Well done. Finally, for round 9, chain 1. Work 1 single crochet SC in each stitch all around the coaster. Join with a slip stitch. You did it, your coaster is complete. Tip: weave in your ends neatly for a polished finish. I'm so proud of you. Share your creation in the comments. And there you have it, a stunning crochet coaster you can use or gift. Thank you for crafting with me today. If you loved this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share your projects with us. Stay tuned for more crochet fun and happy hooking.